guys! Welcome to the fourth video in my Python tutorial. Today we're going to talk about a topic that may not seem like it, but is going to be super important moving forward to document your code and to be neat. This will help us work in projects with different people and even reuse code we've already done. This means having comments on your code. Comments will help us remember what we've done and why we did it that way. Comments in Python are started with a hash. Everything after the hash in that same line, Python will interpret as a comment. So we can write whatever we want, and Python won't consider it when running the program we're coding. For example, if we run this program, we'll see that it works correctly. So then if we add comments, we'll see that it still works correctly. Another way to comment is by using a triplet of single quotes. For example, we could write, in this case, we can see that it's important to have a triplet of single quotes at the beginning and end of your comment. Now, while comments are important, they must be used with care as to not over-comment the code. For example, in the previous example, the comment print the variable x is a bit unnecessary because the function already has that name and it's easy to understand what's going to happen there. Having over-commented code is not a good practice, but to have few or no comments is just as bad. As with everything, it's important to not be in the extremes, so go and find a nice middle ground where your code is as clear as possible. Another example of over-commented code seen often is something like this. This type of comments aren't useful because they're harder to read than the code itself. There are many comment templates available for different programming languages, and Python is no exception. It's up to you to choose the way to comment your code. For example, whether you place the hash to the side or before when you want to comment, or whether you respect a certain format like uppercase for comments, or anything you like. What's important is to be clear and neat with your code so it's easily understood by those reading. And that's it for today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and code up!